Does Sony Smart TV have Google Play Store? Sony Smart TVs, especially those running on Android TV or Google TV, come with the Google Play Store pre-installed. This allows users to download apps, games, and streaming services directly onto their TV. However, the availability of the Google Play Store depends on the model and operating system of the TV. 1. Google Play Store on Android TV models. Sony Smart TVs that operate on Android TV include the Google Play Store by default. Users can access thousands of apps including Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Spotify. The Play Store on these TVs is optimized for large screens, making it easy to install and manage applications. 2. Google TV and app availability. Sony has transitioned newer models to Google TV, an upgraded version of Android TV. Google TV also includes the Google Play Store, allowing users to download and update apps seamlessly. It features personalized recommendations and a more organized interface compared to Android TV. 3. Limited or no Play Store on non-Android models. Sony Smart TVs that do not use Android TV or Google TV may not have the Google Play Store. Instead, they may have a proprietary Sony operating system with a limited selection of apps. These models rely on pre-installed applications and may not support third-party app downloads. 4. Installing apps from the Google Play Store. To install an app, users can open the Google Play Store on their Sony Smart TV, search for their desired app, and download it with a single click. Some apps may require a Google account login, while others are free to access without any sign-in. 5th, internet connection and Play Store functionality. A stable internet connection is required to access the Google Play Store and download apps on a Sony Smart TV. Without an internet connection, the Play Store will not function, and users will be limited to offline content and pre-installed applications. Most Sony Smart TVs that run on Android TV or Google TV come with the Google Play Store, providing access to a vast range of applications. However, some non-Android models do not support the Play Store, limiting app availability. Before purchasing, users should check the TV specifications to ensure it meets their app and streaming needs.